Come along with Paul and Amy as we take you on a tour through Blue Angels Campground. We want to show you the amenities and also some really good sites for camping.
All right, so we're on the side of the campground that has the sandy bottoms. There is another side down there I'll take you to later that has concrete, but I'm actually preferring our side. This is a set of bathrooms that's close. These don't have showers. This is the women's. But you can see it's big and it's very, very clean. I have not been in here a single day that it wasn't spotless. These are cabin rentals. They're $60 a night. They do have a microwave, a refrigerator in there, some beds, and a desk. Pretty sure that's what a guy told us. I'm not sure what's up with the tarps over the roof. They need to be repaired. This is the shower house. This is on the end of the campground that we are camping in. They do have a handicap ramp, or you can use the steps. And there is bathrooms and showers on each side, which is really nice. So there's 5 bathrooms and showers on this side. No, actually 4. That one on the end, I think it's a maintenance room. And there were 4 on this side. The one on the very end is handicapped, but several of them have seats in them. So here's this one. Come in and find the light. Each one looks very similar to this. They're all very clean. Oh, somebody's left their shampoo in here. But I'm very happy with how clean they are. Alright, I'm going to show you the handicapped shower. So it doesn't have the lip at the bottom there. So you can get a wheelchair in there. And this is super roomy in here. Alright, this area of Blue Angels Campground has a lot of mobile homes. And over here they have a laundromat. Did they tell you they have 3 laundromats on site, Paul?
Yes.
Okay. So, let's see what this one's about. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. It's only $1 to wash. That's cheap. I paid $2 the other night at the hotel. So they have 3 washing machines in here. That's a bathroom in there. And, yeah. 2 dryers. One's out of order. And then, is there a way to make change over here?
Laundry cart. No, that's at the other one, she said.
Okay.
40 minutes per dryer and washer.
That's good to know. So, set your timer.
75 cents.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Coke machine. I feel like this would be a great place to stay if you're transitioning to moving here. This side of the campground is the side that has the concrete pads. And there's a huge picnic area here. I mean, oh yeah. There are horseshoe pits there. Here's a huge parking lot, and there's some more little beach area down there. There's a basketball goal over there, 2 of them, so you can play basketball. There is a lot of campers in here, y'all. I I like the idea of the concrete. However, these sites are really close together, as you can see. And they're kind of short too, aren't they, Papa?
Yeah. I have several pull-throughs also. These are all pull-throughs right here.
Yeah, pull-throughs are nice.
They're close. Very close.
Yeah, they're super close together. Here's the shower. Oh, there's a pet washing station. What the heck? We've been here all week washing Henry off and on. I just gave him a bath in the shower. I'll go check it out. It looks like a yurt over there. Right over there, somebody's put up a yurt. Okay.
You guys can rent it. There's no way somebody can haul that thing around.
Yeah, that'd be cool to rent, wouldn't it? So, okay, so we got some family bathrooms. That's nice. Oh yeah, this is nice and big. And then, nice big, sorry it's dark. Nice big shower area. Super nice. So this side, it looks like, at least this side, I hadn't checked the other side, it's all family rooms. So nice big showers. Super curious about this pet washing station. OMG. Look at this. I could have bring Henry over here. Well, we know for next time.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell that great in there, though.
Like cat poop.
Yeah. And then,
That's a,
look at that screen. Looks like a flag. That's cool.
That's a side, but
Right. That is a super short site. Tiny. Like, it'd be fine for us.
yeah.
But see, I like our other side for having Henry, because he's got some room for movement over there and people don't so much care if he's walking around. But over here is a different story. I wouldn't feel as comfortable with him over here. Was this laundry? Oh, okay. Is there a light in here? Yeah. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so this one you can make change. Takes $1.05 and 10s. That's super nice. Got your sink for washing stuff out. And this one has 4 dryers and 4 washers. And they're $1 a piece. That's a really good price. Because when you're traveling around, it's typically not cheap to use laundry facilities. And
Nice.
there's another Coke machine here if you need your soda. So it says, now this says 30 days, but I know that woman told us 90 days.
I think it's 30. Sites 5 through 11.
Maximum stay, yeah, maybe it's just for those. I want to share something with you though. They told us that starting November 1st, which is just 2 days from now, you're not going to be able to pick your site anymore. So you can request, you can request something, but there's no guarantee you're going to get it. And I got to be honest with you, I don't like that at all. Not one bit. I don't even understand it, but it's not my rodeo. But considering it's only $20 a night to stay here, is that correct?
25.
25, okay.
I think these may be a little more because they have sewers, so they may be 30.
Okay, so this side with the concrete costs a little bit more. But you do need to be a retired military person or disabled veteran to camp in here.
Just being a veteran, you can't.
Y'all look at that camper. That is tiny. And it's got those 2 little tents on one on each side. Isn't that something? I wonder if one's a shower.
No, there's a door on each side. That's how you get out of it.
Okay. Okay, I camp in a tiny camper, but I don't know about that. Back in here would be nice.
Yeah.
Around the woods. Some people have some fancy setups. Wow, look at that car.
That's the one kept flashing his lights at us. I'm like, what's your deal, bro?
We were going slow. We were going real slow. We are thinking that Yurt is for community events. Get down here and look at it. What's the deal with the roofs down here?
No, you can rent it.
Okay. Is it handicap parking? So yeah, you can totally rent that.
There's air conditioning.
That is cool. I wonder how much that costs. It's right next to the pavilion and the shower house though, so score on that. I think it says no pets. Good sites right here for the concrete area. I think that one just right over here was a 6. That's site 7 with that little R-pod, an 8. These have perfect views, but I'm sure these are premium spots, but you can request them, as I said, but it won't be promised. Here's site 10. That's a beautiful spot. And that must be 11. Yep, that's 11. So any of these along here, 12 and 13, you're going to have an awesome view. Oh, that's actually 34. That's good from 11 to 34. And that one's 35. So those are great sites right there. Okay, so here's the boat launch. This is right out in front of the concrete padded campground. And right down there is your beach area. So bigger than the one on our side for sure.